One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it can magically do anything. It can't. On its own, AI can only generate text, images, or code. To actually interact with the real world, it needs tools. This is called tool calling. Think of AI like a new employee. They might know exactly what needs to be done. But without access to email, calendars, spreadsheets, or company systems, they can't actually do the work. The same is true for AI. When you ask an AI agent to schedule a meeting, it doesn't have magical access to your calendar. Instead, it calls the calendar tool. If you ask it to send an email, it calls your email system. If it needs to update a spreadsheet, it calls the spreadsheet application. Each tool gives the AI a new capability. One tool might search your company documents. Another might create a calendar event. Another might update your CRM. Another might generate a report. The AI decides which tools it needs based on the task you've given it. This is why modern AI feels so much more capable than earlier chatbots. It's no longer limited to answering questions. It can take action. As more software companies make their applications available, AI will be able to assist with more and more everyday work. That's why tool calling is becoming one of the most important building blocks of modern AI. Without tools, AI can only tell you what to do. With tools, AI can help you do it. Key takeaway: tool calling gives AI the ability to interact with real software and business systems. It's what transforms AI from a chatbot that provides answers into a digital assistant that can help complete real work.